Welcome to our video comparison, where we pit the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill against the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill. This battle of the treadmills is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, aiming to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your home gym setup. When it comes to the price point, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is priced at $299, offering a robust set of features for those willing to invest a bit more in their fitness journey. On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill comes in at a more wallet-friendly $179, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for a compact and efficient workout solution. Both treadmills promise a quiet workout experience. The Cursor Fitness model features a brushless motor, ensuring noise levels remain between 40 to 65 decibels, ideal for those who prefer a silent workout environment. Meanwhile, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill boasts a self-developed 2.5 HP motor, promising library-level noise, making it suitable for shared spaces or late-night workouts. In terms of performance and features, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill shines with its real-time heart rate monitoring, digital LED console with 12 preset programs and ample running area, making it suitable for a variety of users and workouts. The Home Fitness Code Walking Pad, however, focuses on simplicity and convenience, offering a 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour speed range and a 5-layer shock-absorbing belt, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a straightforward, user-friendly exercise option. For those prioritizing convenience and portability, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill stands out with its lightweight design and built-in wheels, making it easy to move and store. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill, while offering a folding design, is noted for being more challenging to relocate, making it a better fit for those with a dedicated workout space. When considering warranty and support, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill offers a reassuring 5-year warranty and 24/7 support, ideal for those seeking long-term reliability and customer service. The Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill, with its 2-year warranty, still ensures customer satisfaction with its promise of 24/7 service, catering to those who value support, but may not be as concerned with a longer warranty period. Overall, reviews for the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill highlight its ease of use, compact design, and suitability for a variety of workouts, making it a solid choice for those seeking a versatile home exercise option. The Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill is praised for its compactness, ease of use, and quiet operation, appealing to users with limited space or those desiring a simple, effective walking solution. We hope this comparison has given you a clearer picture of what each treadmill offers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your preference and why. Which one fits your lifestyle and workout routine better? Links to both products are in the description. Thank you for watching, and may your fitness journey be as rewarding as it is healthy.